I can't do this and hold the camera at the same time, so hopefully you can see this. Yeah, there we are. I've got this fitting really nicely. Only thing is right here, there's a bit of a gap, but I'm really hesitant to put that sharp of a bend in here because when I put this up here, you can see there's a gap there, and that's because this, like I talked about, this rocker panel turns in too sharply. So I don't want to have a big transition on the fender. So I'm probably actually going to end up squishing this flat so it matches the fender, and then as long as the fender lines up here, or it runs along here, and the fender lines up fairly well with that top of that rocker panel, it'll be good. The rocker molding will cover it. The rocker molding's wider than this rocker anyways. It hangs down, so it'll cover up any discrepancy here, like in the angle of this. So it's not ideal. This is an old car. Old cars are not ideal anyway. So it'll look good.